Nice. Freaking. Seriously. Oh, I see how it is. In the Aygo? Thanks, Kato. Oh, I see. I thought. I don't want to whine too much. The problem is, you took a shit. He has a timeout. That it doesn't cooperate. Seriously. How is this working? Let me see. Come here, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. What am I doing? Playtime. A little while ago I made a video of this car that you guys have to see. Here's a clip. I love you. Oh. Hey everybody. Just standing on a parking here now. I just went with my wife to a Corona test location because she didn't feel well. And I just saw this car passing by and I think this is pretty nice. You know, here you don't see those cars often, but especially not in this way. Very high. I have to say, I freaking like it a lot. This is high. Oh man. I heard at first that it sounds great. This is nice. I like it a lot. You know, here in Holland you have the thing that the wheel, the top of the wheel cannot come from out of the arches. So I'm not sure if that is legal, but it sure looks nice. I would put the rear tire also like that, but yeah, I like it. I would lower the front a little bit, but that is just me. I wonder how this is driving. I saw the man walking. I wanted to go to him quick to ask some stuff about the car. Leaf springs. This is nice to work work from under. You don't have to jack it up. Give it a nice oil change, easy. This, I like it. Looks good, you know. I'll go around. I have to say, I really dig this. Very cool. Very cool. Couldn't let it pass by. Needed to show you guys this. Awesome. Love to see people put their love into the cars. Awesome, man. Welcome back, everybody. We are here in my new garage, and I have little Kato Tito with me. Parked in my new garage. I wish. So happy. Come here. Come here. Come here. What's that? Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay, it's freaking early in the morning, and what are we going to do? We are going to watch Kato, of course. I will take this ball with me, and we are going to change the Wiperblade. I was driving around in the Aygo, and I still have an old Wiperblade on the car, which I think is ugly. I will show you guys. See, this is the old one. Kato! Man, I wish I had a garage like this. So freaking awesome. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this one here. If I can see, good. This is also a new camera. I hope it's recording good. I don't know anything how this works. Oh, nice, nice. Thanks, Kato. You took a shit. Awesome. In the garage. Get the ball, get the ball, get the ball. I already had a feeling that was going to happen. Ew. Okay, I bought only with a wiper. Now I have to tell you guys, these ones are better. That's my opinion. It's because this one has the whole frame. It's pressing everywhere equally, and this one is not really doing that. This is working with the weight of itself, but I like this one more. So I rather have it working a little bit less good. I have to check how this works. Oh, I see how it is. Okay. 1 second. 1 second. Let's open the new one in such a way that if it is not good, you cannot return it. Seriously. Mounting pieces on it. Look at that beauty. That looks much better. This is a little bit too big in my opinion, but it's okay. I don't want to whine too much about everything. Let's try to dismantle this one. This Wiperblade is already on. It's so long. See, there it is. Now you have a lock in the front and a lock in the back. Now you can just pull it out. I'm gonna keep this one just to be sure, because it is not bad. It's a good one. And let me see this one. I have to take this whole thing off. I have the feeling. Yeah. Easy, don't drop it right away because break the window. Let me see, I have all these little parts. Or can I just slide this thing on? Well, what do you know? I only have to slide it on. It's the same size, just check to be sure. Yeah, it's a 65 millimeter. So for the Toyota Aygo from 2005, I thought. This model, it's 65 millimeter or 26 inch. I will keep this ones, then we're gonna throw away the basura. That's gone. He wants to play. He's a little bit angry, but he has a timeout because he shit in front of the Aygo. Guys. So that's it. It's easy. You only have to watch a little bit how the Wiperblade is mounted, but it's not a lot of work. That's the new video of putting a new Wiperblade. Easy. The Aygo only has one, of course. So yeah. Let's clean up all the mess that I make. getting, he wants to play. But first I have to clean up my stuff. It's, all the stuff of Angie. What am I doing? It's, how is this working? Okay, we're done. We're done. So, come on. Playtime. Come on. Come here, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Okay, let's go. We're done. So let's go. Kato, come on. Let's go. Come, get the ball. The ball is under the car. Where's the ball? There's the ball. I'm gonna get it. Oh. Okay, come. Let's go. In the car. Yeah. Okay. Woo. You're tired too, huh? Yeah. Good job. So let me. I still have to figure out how this camera works. This is the camera of Angie, and I think the quality is better. Although I see a lot of things happening in my screen. Oh wait, it's still zoomed in, of course. Wait. How's this working? Oh yeah. Well, we will see how the quality is. Let's close your window because last time he jumped out of the car. Luckily I was driving really slow. Man, it's hot. So let's drive out of the garage. Well, Kato, let's do this. Let's go. Let's go. Kato, let's go. Seatbelt on, lights on, nice lights. Let's go to the other side. How cool would it be to have a garage like this? Are you still tired? Kato? Kato. So, yeah. So, now I think it won't go open. No. So, oh, I have to pay. It's alright. I don't have to put the card in. So, 60 cents. Yes. Okay. So yeah. How cool would it be to have a garage like this? Seriously, this is so awesome. I love parking garages. So yeah. I have to pick up my wife. You're so happy? still green. The camera is lagging. Camera is lagging. Hello. So this is it. Maybe it's better to see now. See? But like I said, this one is with the frame completely. So this one will have good pressure all over the place. So it will probably be better to have this one, but I don't care. I'd rather have like this. This is nice. Yeah, am I doing good? Looks like he wants this wiper blade. If you want a nice wiper blade on your car, then you change it to wiper only. I have these rubbers on all my cars. It looks much better. It's easy. I don't think you need tools, but this one was pretty freaking stuck. So just if you have a tool like what I have or something like that, maybe it can help you. You know, just take it off. And then there is a manual with the wiper blade, but manuals are overrated. It's a problem with me. I never read manuals. But the wiper blade, the little frame where you mount it on, was already good for this one. So I didn't have to put any extension on or whatever. So and it was perfect. So Kato is probably thinking, why are you talking so much? Yes, I know. Where's your ball? Did I bring your ball? Did I bring the ball? Oh my god. Where's the ball? Kato, where's the ball? Oh my god. Oh my god, where's the ball? Exciting. Oh my god, where's the ball? Kato, where's the ball? Where's the ball? Cushion? Oh, cushion. Let's search Kato ball. Let's do this. Kato, where's your ball? Oh my god. Oh my god, Kato. Where's the ball? Seriously, you couldn't say that to me? There's the ball. There. 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 My Kato. Stay in the car, stay in the car, stay in the car, stay in the car. We're not going out. It's a little... Okay, so there you have it. That's it. This is the video. For real. So, this was my useless video. Comment, subscribe, like, and see you guys next time. Later.